what's up, everybody? It's Koofy here. I'm here in beautiful Times Square. Just want everybody to know, collaborate with me on a new social media platform called Fansplan.com. My man Jack Lee Matthews hooked it up.
Hey, this is Shea Hillenbrand, two-time MLB All-Star. Are you a person looking for some direction? Are you stuck right now and need guidance with that burning desire in your gut to align yourself with your dream or your vision? Or are you an influencer or someone who has a mindset business that you want to use your gifts and talents to impact the world? You need to go over to fansplan.com right now.
A social media platform that is taking the social media world by storm. It is Fansplan. I can go on Fansplan and interact with my fans and others who want to know about football and be paid for it.
I have actually made money on Fansplan, and you can too. 4 posts, $400. I mean, and it's actually pretty simple.
If you want to be inspired by the hustlers, the mindset coaches, anybody who has overcome extreme obstacles, or if you want to spark inspiration, Fansplan is where you need to be, so join now.
The reason why Fansplan is so amazing is because it gave me the opportunity to make income within the first month of being in Fansplan as a influencer.
What's up, people? Schmack, aka Space from 11. I want to give a big shout out to Fansplan.com.
I love Fansplan. I highly recommend getting on it. It is one of my favorite social media platforms now. There's such an amazing community on there, and I feel so supported, and I highly recommend it.
The wise old man said, you show me your friends, I'll show you your future. Jack Matthews knows Fansplan is the future. Get on it.